a step-by-step instructional video for your Nakymatone Invisible Speakers. Step 1. Check for studs and electrical before deciding on location to cut in template. Step 2. Place the template on the wall and use the areas where indicated to draw a line. These lines are used for the slit that needs to be cut for the correct size of the speaker. Step 3. Cut the drywall as marked previously. Dry fit the speaker reversed to ensure the hole is cut properly. Using the cutout drywall piece, determine that the required spacers make a 1/16 of an inch gap for installation. Step 4. Locate wire and use the wire end of the Phoenix connector supplied to make positive and negative connections, as indicated on the connector. Install supplied handle to speaker. Step 5. Use wire safety strap to secure wire and tighten Phoenix connector to speaker. Connect Phoenix connector wire end to speaker end. Make sure wire is secure and strap and tighten to connector. Step 6. Using the handle, put the speaker into the wall and position it into the cutout. Secure the speaker using 6 screws. Be sure not to over-tighten the screws. Step 7. You may now remove the handle. Tighten the screws to make sure the speaker is 1/16 of an inch in the wall from the drywall surface. Step 8. Be sure to test the speaker before drywalling. Step 9. Fill in grooves with drywall compound, then install tape to all seams. Step 10. Coat the speaker and surrounding area with drywall compound. There should be 1/16 of an inch thickness over the sound panel. Step 11. Finish drywall using standard methods. Your Nakymatone Invisible Speaker is now ready to use. Nakymatone Invisible Speakers. Simplifying technology.